Yeah, hi, good morning, friends. So, before starting the manual testing, so let us understand what is the application architecture. Okay, so before starting the testing, on which platform we are going to do the testing, testing means. So, normally, people, whatever they are going to purchase, first what they will do, first they will check, okay, so whether that product is proper or not, whether they whether the product uh, is it worth or not, or whether the product is properly built or not. Like these of checks we are going to do. It is the human tendency, right? So like that, so the testing means like whatever the application we are going to do, we will test whether it is working properly or not. So, for that testing, first we need to understand what to test, where to test, how to test. Okay. So, for that reason, first we need to understand the application architecture. So, basically, our application is divided into three layers. Okay. First is client. Okay. Client, server, and database. Client means like whatever the you are going to see, like end user, who what he is going to see. Just like suppose like if you are going to hit facebook.com, so facebook.com homepage will comes appear, right? That is the client in your laptop or in your mobile browsers. So what and all comes, that is the client. Okay, so then here comes a server. Server means like what and all the screens you are going to show it on that page. So related to that, some codes are written. Okay, some Java, those type of things are there. Those are all deployed into the server. This is the server side. So then database, just like in your mobile, whatever the data you are going to store, right? Data, whatever the photos, whatever you are going to create the files, those are going to store, right? Like this in the database, whatever the, suppose like if you are creating the account, once after creating your accounts, what are the details, whatever you have entered, your details are going to store somewhere, right? So that is the use of database. So this is our complete application. I think you all should understand what is our application. Okay, so here now comes to the testing part. Okay, so basically what is testing? So first comes like testing. So what is testing? So basically testing means we are verifying the application. So basically we have already understood our application is made up of three layers. Okay, so client has given some specifics, like suppose Facebook. So if Facebook wants to build an application, they need something, right? Our application should work like this, it should have this one like this. So they would have given some specification. So testing means verifying the product or an application against the requirement. Okay, verifying our product against the requirement, whether it has fulfilled the requirement or not. That is the testing. I think you got it. Okay, basically in testing we are having two types. Okay, two types. What are those? Manual and automation testing. What is manual? Even the single word says what is manual. Manual means no use of any other tools by saying or by human. That is manual. Automation means by using some application, some tools, something like that. Okay, that is automation. So basically whatever we have seen client, that is front end. Okay, whatever the server is back end, and database also comes in under the back end part. Okay, so manual and automation testing, there are two categories under the testing. So in manual we will test front end part and back end part. Back end part means whenever you are going to click on any button, any URL, whatever the pages you are going to see, right, that comes from server. Okay, so what pages it should render, those are all types of things should come from the backend. So whenever you are going to click, there will be a one agent, okay, that is called API. Okay, API. This API will trigger, okay, it will send the request to the server, so that XYZ person is requesting for this page, it will go to here, it will do some logic and it will send. Okay, that page you are going to see at the client side. So that is this is front end means client, okay, back end means API. Okay, API. And also database, like by using some benches are there, like MySQL, SQL, those type of things are there that are tested. Okay, so under manual, human only test, like using some tools by verifying whether the input and output are proper or not, by verifying manually, that is manual testing. Automation means by using the tools, that tool only, once you write the scripts, that tool only verify that whether the given inputs are matching with the output, expected output. So that is automation testing. So manually basically done on the front end side as well as the back end side. Front end side, that is UI testing. Okay, manual UI testing, that is done. Okay, back end means API testing and database testing. The database, like writing the queries, whether our data is properly inserted into the proper table or not, proper column, whether it is having proper validation or not. Those are all things we are going to verify. But here automation testing, what we will do by using Java, Selenium, many other tools in the market, though those we are going to use. By that tool we are going to verify that whether our front end UI part, this Selenium, this one we will use for front end part. So we will verify that front end part is properly working or not by using the tool. Sorry, there are many tools are also there, those are all used for backend testing. So this will be the main theme of the testing. Okay, manually means front end testing. Mainly basically in our course we are focusing on front end testing, manual testing. This, but as of now course is done for manual testing. So let's see in the next video we are going to start. Okay, so if you like the video, please comment, share, and whatever doubts, anything you have, please comment. Okay, and also please do subscribe, and subscription and your likes, views will made me a lot to, that will encourage me to more videos with the proper content. Okay, thank you.